Congratulations to the Orlando Magic and finding their new coach in Frank Vogel. Okay, Frank Vogel led the Pacers in all but one season as far as the playoffs. He's a great defensive coach. He helped develop, without any question, Paul George. It's a great signing, a great pickup if you're a Magic fan. Now, the Magic, though, okay, they need to find a star, though. They've drafted well lately, but those are guys you put around the star. He can make, guys like Aaron Gordon and Peyton even better. It's a good hire, though, okay? They just need to make a few moves to compete. Oladipo, if I'm pronouncing his name right, Oladipo, he's a star in the making, though. Okay, he has the defense, finishing ability, and shooting. He just obviously needs to do it consistently. Some might say that Orlando lowballed Shaq at age 24. They deserve to keep losing. But I don't think that's going to happen. On the other hand, if you're a Pacers fan, have you lost all faith in Larry Bird after that firing? Just going back to a previous video. He's gone multiple seasons without picking up a true starting point guard, and he thinks coaching is the issue? Listen, some people are going to tell me that George Hill is a legit point guard. George Hill, listen, is a good player, but I wouldn't really consider him a pure point guard. He should be a two guard, if anything. Okay? Listen, now, Hill, I'll give you this. He's, okay. He's worthy of his starting spot. He might be number 28, 29 in the league, but he's a starter. It's a business. A lot of teams are one piece away. And not everybody, can get it. Bird, on the other hand, though, he has had years to get it done. And it just never has worked out. Great players aren't necessarily great front end guys. I hope all is well. Look forward to speaking very, very soon.